Okay, so this is the CapCut platform, and these are templates which are already designed works that you just need to edit, but we're not working with that now. We're opening a new project to do a fresh design. So new project will take you to your gallery. So what you need to do is just to pick all the videos you need to work on. So these are the videos I'll be working on for today. And so it takes you straight to the interface where you need to work on. So you can see all the videos are all there. And if you notice, you'd see this white box with a black line, which is this one here. It shows before the next video comes in. And let's see what happens when this video plays. You see, it's just the next video just popped in. But this is actually used to introduce in transitions to your video. Now let's see what transition does to the video. Observe the difference. You can see that catchy way it goes and it went in. Let's see this. So we'll have to add another transition here. And personally, I prefer working with just one or two transitions, but you can work with as many transitions as you want just to spice up your work and to attract more attention to your videos. So so we just have to add more transition. So what I just did there is cutting the video. If let's go back and see, for those of you that didn't observe that, for instance, you have a video that is a bit long. You just need to go to where you want it to. I think it didn't really show. Let's still go back. Okay, I want this other part from here down. So you come to split, you click on split, then you delete this other part you don't want. So just to create more space for other videos. Okay, so you see this same box showed up. That's to show you that we need to add another transition there. So you pick a catchy transition. And don't worry, just don't mind the audio. Would remove that and apply our own sound to it. So let's just add more transitions to all the videos so it can come out well. Majorly, the nicest thing you can do to your video is put in good transitions. So the transition is that design that just helps your video keep going and keeps it activating and catchy for the viewers to just keep watching. So ensure you apply very good transitions to your video. It's okay, but try not to apply so much transition so it doesn't get less interesting. So let's see what we've done so far. Observe the way the next video comes in and how nice and smooth the transition is. Right. Okay. Okay. So this is me muting all the sound, and yeah, so you can notice that there's no longer sound. So we'd have to add our own sound to it. But first, you can observe that there's some videos that you see that has a slow motion, and along the line it gets so fast. Let's do that. So I actually went to, let's go back. I actually um went to speed. Now speed helps you to increase the velocity of your videos. We can go to normal. If you're going to the left, you're going slow. If you're going to the right, you're going faster. So we're actually going slow. Let's see how it turns out. You can see it's a bit slow. Then you pause here, you split it up, and the next part of the video, you make it fast, just to give you that slow and fast version of the whole editing. So it all depends on the kind of video you're editing actually. So notice that once you cut any video, that little white box shows up. That's to tell you that you need to add a transition there. So don't forget, once you cut your videos, the next thing is adding transition to blend with the next video. Now, transition helps you to blend two videos together. So it doesn't just pop up like that. It pops up with style. That's the essence of adding transitions to the videos. Okay. So that is it. So the next thing we're doing is it's adding sound to the video. You can see down there, you can see sounds. So you can pick sound. Remember, we've already muted the original sound that came with the video. So let's try to add something catchy and captivating for our viewers. Okay, so if you notice, you'd see free trials. You have to be careful because most of these are standard features and pro. So let's use something without those features, which is Warrior Charge. Now, Warrior Charge is one cinematic audio I like a lot. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Now, there's something we call the whooshing effect. You know, when you watch videos and when the next video is coming in, there's something like a whoosh. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. It has so many names, but once you type whoosh, and that's the sound we're looking for. So you just take it in between the first and the second video, you duplicate it, take it to another transition point, and just do that for all the videos to give you that nice sound effect. So you can do that as much as you want, but I only did that for 3 transitions. Yeah. So you can see all that spices up the video. To do now is add a text. Now, definitely if you want to add a text to a video, like the first text should be what the video is all about. So the text is telling the viewers what they want to see. So actually, this video was one of our programs we did in orphanage homes. This is just one of the orphanage homes we visited, and it was called the Real People Foundation Summer Camp Program. It's how the text is actually added. Okay, so now this is the Real People Foundation Summer Camp Program. So you just need to look for a catchy style for your text and look for a catchy style, or you change the template to make it more nice. Just look for something simple. You drop it down there or at the middle, then enlarge it a bit. Okay. So now let's see how this would go. So I think we have to shift this text a little bit so it doesn't just pop up as soon as the video starts. So let's see this. observe the washing sound. Yeah, so that is it. So we have to cut the sound because all those places we really don't need sound for it. So that's the extra sound there. Remember, make use of your split tool. Yeah, so if you notice, there's always logos and videos, like most videos. So that is what we're about to do now. So you go to photos, you pick your company logo, your brand logo, then position at a very nice place that would attract your viewers. And majorly, I prefer positioning my logos upwards, either to the left or to the right. Either way is fine. But let's just try something different. Let's keep it at the middle, upwards, and see how it goes. So you have to drag this all through the video, so it shows all through the video. So we don't want it to cut at any point. Yeah. So the essence of this also is to um help for against piracy. So you maintain a good standard for your company and for your brand. So imagine, see how nice and professional it is. This is just less than 10 minutes and we're already done with the work. So you can notice some videos you see the logo all through the video and it's slightly fainted. So let's try that and see. That's another way to introduce your logo to your video. So you just enlarge, go to opacity. Now opacity helps you to reduce the transparency of the image, so you can see that. Then let's watch and see how it turns out. Isn't this just great? Yeah, so another thing we need to do is because there's always a picture. If you've noticed, there's always a picture at the beginning of videos. May not necessarily be how the video started, but you can just pick something catchy to put at the beginning, something like your viewers would see that would attract them to your video. So this is how that is done. You go to select album. Let's see. You just take it down to any points you want. Okay, let's see this. Since the summer camp program is there already, so that is it. Okay, so you go to export and your video is getting set and ready to be uploaded to the web and to your social media platforms.